And we are at the water park. It's slime time.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Put a man on that beat. 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 Now do your dance, do your dance, do your dance.
Woo!
You ugly. You your daddy son. You on that beat. 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 Don't slide. Don't stop. Don't stop. Hey. Don't stop. Hey. Put a man on that beat. Put a man on that beat. Put a man on that beat.
Hadil! Hadil!
Oh, yeah! Time! As you know, slime is Nickelodeon's highest honor. And today, our special guest slimees will have bragging rights for life. And to kick it off, we are going to call room number 4306. 4306. We are ready for you to get slimed.
Oh, so I guess not everybody can go. We put our room number and it depends on the room number. So hopefully the kids will get the room number.
Slime! Slime!
Slime! Slime! Slime!
Come on, people over here, make some noise! Everybody over this side, make some noise! And here is 2107. 2107. Come on up here, let's go. We are ready for you. All right, who do we have over here? What's your name? And where are you from?
Canada.
Canada. Oh yeah. And who's your favorite Nicktoon character?
I don't know, all of them.
All of them?
Ninja Turtles and SpongeBob.
Excelente. All right. We are ready to get to your grade. It's slime time, so everybody, what we say? Slime, 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 slime. Come on, somebody make some noise. And where is my family? 4313. 4313. 4313. That's 4313.
How was it? How was
Here
it?
is 2103.
How was it, Zizo? They did it for you guys. Give them a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below. What do you think of this? Heidi didn't do it.
Ready to get their slime on. So where is 2, 3?